हेलो गाइस, आज हम क्लाइमेट चेंज का पार्ट 2 कवर करेंगे। ठीक है, आइए देखते हैं पार्ट। ओजोन लेयर इज अबव द अर्थ क्रस्ट अराउंड विच इज अराउंड 20 किलोमीटर के ऊपर ओजोन लेयर। ठीक है, पोलर स्ट्रेटोस्फेरिक क्लाउड्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, विच इज ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन। ओजोन होल्स आर मोर प्रोनाउंस्ड एट द विच इज द पोल्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Formation of ozone hole is maximum cover which is Antarctica. Who among the following had discovered ozone holes over Tibetan Plateau in 2005, which is the G.W. Kent Moore? Which of the following is not true about the chlorofluorocarbon, which it is not responsible for greenhouse effect? Consider the following statement. Chlorofluorocarbon, known as ozone depletion substance, are used to the production of plastic foam, in the production of tubeless tires, in the cleaning certain electronic components, as pressurizing agent in aerosol can. Hence, in the production of plastic foam is correct, and tubeless tire and the pressurized agent in aerosol can. Next, which of the following substance are ozone depleting? फर्स्ट क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, ठीक है, हेलोन्स कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड। ठीक है, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द ऑल ऑफ दीज आर द cause of ozone layer depletion. Kigali agreement modified which of these previous multilateral agreement, which is the Montreal Protocol? What is formed by flying supersonic jet, which is an interruption in ozone layer? In relation to ozone, which statements are true? First, ozone is called protection shield of the earth. In 1985, it was clear that ozone layer has hole. The 16th September is celebrated as World Ozone Day. In 1989, chemicals responsible for ozone depletion are banned to utilize. Hence, ABC is correct. Ozone holes are detected in which year? 1985. Most environmental friendly refrigerators are, which is the hydrofluorocarbon. Hydrofluorocarbon, HFC. HFCF, it can be used as refrigerant instead of, which is CFC. The instrument used to measure the atmospheric ozone concentration is, which is a dosimeter. The thickness of the ozone in the column of the air from the ground to top of the atmosphere is measured in terms of, which is Dobson's unit. Consider the following statement. Ozone is mostly found in the stratosphere. Ozone layer lies 55 to 75 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Ozone absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Ozone layer has no significance for life on the Earth. Hence, first and third statement is correct. Which is responsible for ozone hole? Which is the CFC? D option. Next, D option is correct. Ozone layer protects Earth from ultraviolet rays. Which of the following harms the ozone layer? Which is the chlorofluorocarbons used in air conditioner. In your opinion, which of the following is due to ozone hole? Which is the increased ultraviolet radiation. The pollutant that mainly cause hole in the ozone layer is, which is CFC. Ozone layer of upper atmosphere is being destroyed by which of the following? Which is chlorofluorocarbon. Ozone hole is caused by which is called chlorofluorocarbon. The pollutant of causes maximum damage to ozone layer, which is the chlorofluorocarbon. The formation of ozone hole in the Antarctic region has been a cause of concern. What could be seen for the formation of this hole, which is the presence of predominant polar front and stratosphere cloud and inflow of the chlorofluorocarbon. Which of the following concentration of ozone in the ambient air is considered good, which is up to 0.06 ppm? The radiation that is absorbed by ozone present in the atmosphere is, which is the ultraviolet. Ozone layer prevent entry of which of the following rays in the atmosphere, which is both UVB and UVBC. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Ozone layer in atmosphere provides safety to life from ultraviolet radiation. Which of one of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of use of ozone depletion substance, which is the Montreal Protocol. Montreal Protocol is related with which is to protect the ozone layer depletion. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16, on which date Ozone Day is observed 16 September. With reference to the cause of ozone layer depletion, which of the following statement is incorrect? A number of natural occurring substances like hydrogen oxide, methane, hydrogen gas, nitrogen oxide causes ozonic layer depletion, which is correct. Chlorine monoxide during volcanic eruption, significant amount of chlorine may be released in the stratosphere, which cause ozone layer depletion, which is correct. Tiny particle matter in the stratosphere known as stratospecific aerosol, the only matter protect ozone layer depletion, which is wrong. Any event which release chlorine atom into the atmosphere can cause several ozone destruction because chlorine atom in the stratosphere can destroy ozone very efficient, and this is also correct. Ultraviolet radiation from sunlight cause the reaction that produce which of the following, which is O3. Ozone layer is mainly found in which is stratosphere. Which of the following unit is used to measure thickness of ozone layer, which is Dobson? Statement 1. Ozone depletion are mostly harmful to biological system is variety of way, which is correct statement. Ozone depletion in stratosphere lead to loss of filtering ability of ultraviolet light. Hence, both statement is correct and statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. Consider the following statement regarding ozone. It is continuously being produced and destroyed. It helps to sustain life on Earth. It formed in the atmosphere through photochemical reaction. Hence, all the statement is correct. Consider the following statement regarding depletion of ozone layer. Excessive release of chlorine and bromine in the environment from man-made components such as chlorofluorocarbon. Second statement is the occurrence of certain natural phenomena such as sunspot and stratosphere wind. The degradation of material by ultraviolet radiation, major volcanic eruption. Hence, first statement is correct, second statement is correct, and fourth statement is correct. Next question देखते हैं. Ozone layer present in the atmosphere protect life on Earth by not permitting harmful radiation present in sunlight to penetrate through it. Ozone layer is formed by the reaction of which is solar ultraviolet rays on oxygen. Which one of the following gas is colorless with a strong odor, irritating mucous membrane at common level, can cause cough, fatigue, interference with a lung function at higher concentration, which is ओजोन. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट पॉल्यूशन देखते हैं. Which of the following is a soft coal? Which is the correct bituminous. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Vessels convection provide which is by international guideline to control the transboundary movement to hazardous waste between different countries. Acid rain result that when gaseous emission of sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide interact with water vapor and sunlight and are chemically converted to strong acid compounds such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Which of one of the following statement is not correct regarding carbon dioxide, which is a good amount of carbon in the atmosphere is present as methane gas. A natural phenomena that becomes harmful due to pollution is which is a greenhouse effect. In India, which one is the among of the industry's single largest contributor of greenhouse gas emission is power. Next question देखते हैं. Which of the following is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow, which is the sulfur dioxide? Among the following which help in monitoring air pollution, which is a leachate? Which of the following gas was responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy, which is methyl isocyanide? Which union minister was launched the Pryan portal, which is the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change? According to UNEP, which of the following are the major component of air pollution? SO2, O3, CO, NO2. Hence, all the compounds are responsible for air pollution. Next question. In the mega, mega cities of India, the dominant source of air pollution is the transport sector. Which of the following are the method of control pollution? Setting up the cheaper and faster public transportation system and better connectivity, devising rules to ensure pooling and private transport, setting up soundproof infrastructure in the hospitals. First and second statement is correct. Which of the following is the best solution to get rid of non-biodegradable waste, which is recycling? Which of the following is not a particular pollution? Say ozone. Next question. Consider the following statement concerning environmental pollution. First, nuclear explosion cause radioactive radiation. Earthquake do not cause tsunami. Acid rain is not a major environmental issue. Air pollution has some impact on meteorology. Hence, first and fourth statement is correct. Consider the statement regarding smoke. Smoke was coined during the 1950 to describe a mixture of smoke and fog experience in London. The principal pollution in London smoke are particulates and sulfur component. The London smoke occurs generally early in the morning on cold, wet winter days, which is all the statement is correct. As per the WHO report released in May 2016, which of the worst city in India in terms of air pollution, which is Delhi. Biological oxygen demand is a standard criterion for which is the pollution is it in aquatic system. In the context of the environment, the term dirty doesn't refer to which is 12 persistent organic pollutant. Among the following, which one is the auto emission norms in major cities of India at present? The BS6 air muffler is the technique of reducing which of the following pollution, which is noise pollution. The most serious environmental effect posed by hazardous waste, which is a contamination of groundwater. Air pollution is caused by which is caused by smoke. Consider the following heavy industry: fertilizer plant and oil refineries, steel plant, green and hydrogen is expected to play a significant role in decarbonizing how many of the following industry, which is all three: fertilizer plant, oil refinery, and steel plant. The acidification of ocean in increasing. Why is the phenomena a cause of concern? The growth and several calcareous photoplankton will be adversely affected. The growth and several coral reefs will be adversely affected. The several of some animals that have been photonic loves will be adversely affected. The cloud seeding and formation of cloud will be adversely affected. Hence 1 and 2 and 3 is correct. What could happen is phytoplankton of an ocean is completely destroyed for some reason. The ocean is carbon sink could be adversely affected. The food chain in the ocean could be adversely affected. The density of ocean water could drastically decrease. Hence, first and second is statement is correct. Which of the following is known as carbon negative country in the world, which is Bhutan? Which of the following countries was the largest emitter of carbon dioxide in 2015, which is China? Consider the following which can found in the abundant atmosphere: soot, sulfur, hexafluoride, water vapors. Hence 1, 2 and 3 statement is correct. Consider the following: carbon monoxide, methane, ozone, sulfur dioxide. Hence all the statement is correct. According to UNEP, which of the following are the major components of air pollution, which is SO2, O3, CO, NO2? Hence all is the major component of air pollution. Which one of the following statement is not correct regarding carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is given off when dead organism and other organism material decompose, which is wrong. When volcanic eruption, they gives off carbon dioxide that is stored in the metallic. Hence correct. Ocean water release dissolved carbon dioxide into atmosphere when water temperature rises. Correct. A good amount of carbon in the atmosphere is present as methane gas, which is correct. Statement 1. Increased cloud cover with lead to warmer winter due to cloud reflecting more intense solar energy. Statement 2. Overcast cloud condition result in decrease in the day-night temperature difference. Hence, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. Consider the following statement concerning environmental pollution. Nuclear explosion cause radioactive radiation. Earthquake do not cause tsunami. Acid rain is major environmental issue. Air pollution has some impact on meteorology. Hence, uh, nuclear explosion cause radioactive radiation and air pollution has some impact on meteorology. Next question देखते हैं. Statement type. Statement 1. Normally, carbon dioxide is one considered as air pollution. Statement 2. Carbon dioxide is a constituent of atmospheric air. Hence, both statement is correct. And statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. Increased biological oxygen demand is an indication of low microbial contamination, absence of microbial pollution, high level of microbial contamination, and only third statement is correct. Acid rain result when gaseous emission of sulfur oxide and sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide interact with water vapor and which is sunlight and are chemically converted to strong acid components such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Venturi scrubber, a device used to remove particulate matter from the atmosphere, work on the principle of which is removal of atomized water vapor. Global 50 award are given for the outstanding achievement in which of the following field, which is a protection of environment. Recently concluded Rio Summit was organized by, which is organized by United Nations Conference for Development and Environment. UNEP is abbreviated as which is United Nations Environmental Program. UNFCCC stand for which is United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. National Wasteland Development Board was set up in India in the year which is 1985. NEPA stand for which is National Environmental Policy Act. Environmental impact assessment is aimed to help which is a resource conservation. The UN Conference on Climate Change 2019 was held in Madrid. Which one of the following is not included in the 27th principle used at the Rio 92 UN Conference on the Environmental and Development, which is right to safety from natural disaster? Next question देखते हैं. India's National Action Plan on Climate Change did not include which is National Mission for Sustaining the Coastal and Marine Ecosystem. The head office to the Central Pollution Control Board is located in which is located none of the above. None of the above. In 1987, use of ozone depletion chemical was in the convention held at which is held in Montreal. Which one of the following is associated with the issue of control and phase out of the use of ozone depletion substance, which is a Montreal Protocol? Montreal Protocol is associated with which is protection of stratospheric ozone layer. What is the main purpose of setting up of the ozone cell by Union Ministry of Environment and Forest which to implement Montreal Protocol? Montreal Protocol is related to which of the following, which is the ozone layer? The term Bali Action Plan is sometimes seen in news in the context of which is global climate change. Expand GEF, which is a global environmental facility. Kyoto Protocol is mainly concerned with which of the following, which is a reduction in the emission of greenhouse gases. In which year a special climate change fund was established, which is 2001. Choose the correct statement with respect to C14 cities, which is it is a network of the world mega sites committed to addressing climate change. Kigali Agreement is which is the 8th amendment to the Montreal Protocol. Kyoto Protocol, which was adopted in 1997, is associated with is a clean environment and climate change. The Agenda 21 of the Rio Summit 1992 is related to which is sustainable development. In the year 1997, the World Environmental Conference was organized in Kyoto. Regarding the carbon credits, which one of the following statement is not correct? Which a carbon credits are traded at a price fixed from time to time by the United Nations Environmental Program. The concept of carbon credit organized from, ठीक है तो ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका कियोटो प्रोटोकॉल। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट क्लीन डेवलपमेंट मैकेनिज्म इन द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ कार्बन क्रेडिट इन वन ऑफ द कियोटो प्रोटोकॉल मैकेनिज्म अंडर द CTM द प्रोजेक्ट हैंडल pertain only and every one country which is a both one and two statement is correct. Consider the following pairs terms, sometimes their origin seen in the news. Annex one country, Cartinja Protocol, Satisfied Emission, Nagoya Protocol Reduction, Clean Development, Kyoto Protocol Mechanism, hence only third statement is correct. In the context of CO2 emission and global warming, what is the name? The market-driven device used a device under the UNFCCC that allows developing countries to get fund incentive from the developed country to adopt better technology that reduce greenhouse gas emission, which is clean development mechanism. With reference to the agreement, go to the agreement to the UNESCO meet the Paris in 2015. Which of the following statement is correct? The agreement was signed by all the member countries of the UN and it will go into effect in 2070. The agreement aimed to limit the greenhouse gas emissions so that the rise in average global temperature by the end of this country does not exceed 2 degrees centigrade, even 1.5 degrees centigrade above pre-industrial level. Development of countries acknowledged their historical responsibility in global warming and committed to donate $100,000 billion in a year from 2020 to help developing countries to cope and climate change. Hence, second statement is only correct. The Paris Agreement of UN Framework Convention on Climate Change is to limit global warming below benchmark of pre-industrial limit, which 2 degrees centigrade. United Nations Conference on Climate Change COP21 was held in which is in Paris. The high-level minister committee was implementation of Paris Agreement constituted by Government of India in December 2020 was member from how many ministry, which is 14. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change UNFCCC is an international treaty drawn out which is a UN conference on environment and development Rio de Janeiro 1992. With reference the Global Environmental Facility, which statement is correct, which is it serves as financial mechanism for Convention on Biological Diversity and United Nations Framework Convention and Climate Change. With reference to Global Climate Change Alliance, which of the following statements is correct? It is an incentive of the European Union to provide technical and financial support to the targeted developing countries to integrate chemical change into their development policy and budget. It is coordinated by World Resource Institute and World Business Council for Sustainable Development. Hence, 1 and 2 statement is correct. Momentum for Change, Climate Natural Now is initiative launched by which is by UNFCCC Secretariat. In which year was the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has set up, which is 1988. India Climate Change Knowledge Protocol was launched in which of the following month, which is November 2020. The book Silent Spring, published in 1962, which set the turn of an environment movement of the world, was written by which is Rachel Carson. Reference the following United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change UNFCCC was a framework for international cooperation to combat climate change for limiting average global temperature increase. Kyoto Protocol was not an extension of UNFCCC, hence only option 1 is correct. The concept of carbon credit originated from which is a Kyoto Protocol. Next question देखते हैं. DAS was the first mission to be operationalized under the National Action Plan on Climate Change, which is the National Solar Mission. Which of the following fact is not true about the Paris Agreement? Curtailing global temperature rise this century below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial level. They also pursue effect to limit the increase of 1.5 degrees Celsius, conveying nationally determined contribution. It intended to replace the Nairobi Protocol fully by 2020. The countries who participate in the COP24 brought out a package of implementing rules for the Paris Agreement called the Katowice Rule Book. Hence, option C statement is correct. The headquarters of UNEP is located at which Nairobi. Nairobi, according to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administrative and Scarpus Institute of Oceanographic SIS and a global concentration of carbon dioxide in the Earth atmosphere during May 2020, which is approx 440 part per million. Scientists Monster University have recently suggested formation of brightened cloud over Pacific by geoengineering to prevent further increase in global warming. What is spread in the atmosphere to achieve this, which is seawater? Which of the following statement is correct about UN Conference on Sustainable Development Rio Plus 20, which is the conference adopted guideline on green economic policies? Consider the following statement. First statement: the Climate Group is an international non-profit organization that derives climate action by building large network and run them. The International Energy Agency, in partnership with the Climate Group, launched a global initiative EP100 bring together leading companies committed to drive innovation in energy efficiency and increase competitiveness while delivering an emission reduction goal. Some Indian companies are members of EP100. The International Energy Agency of the Secretariat to the undertook coalition. Hence, first, third, and fourth is correct. The Wagner Agreement is, which is an elite club of countries which subscribe to arms export control. Which of the following is not including 27 principal issue to the Rio 92 UN Conference on the Environment and Development, which is the right to safety from natural disaster? Okay, next question देखते हैं. The Rotterdam Convention deals with limiting the use of toxic chemicals. The Minamata tragedy was caused by the eating of fish growing in the Minamata Bay contaminated with, which is a methyl mercury. Crypto Protocol operationalized the UN Framework Convention on, which is on the climate change. Basel Convention provide the international guideline to control the transboundary movement of hazardous waste between the different countries. NEPA stand for which is नेशनल एनवायरमेंटल पॉलिसी एक्ट. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम क्लाइमेट चेंज कंप्लीट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में प्रोडक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन यूनिट कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक, share and subscribe the channel.